Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. We continue to be in choppy price action on this way down, this pathway that is taking us a little lower day by day basically. Today we have a little bit of upside, but it is not enough to indicate that a lasting low has been made. Even if a lasting low had been made in the yellow box, it's exactly what we want. We want price to turn around in our yellow trend reversal area, to bottom there in a wave 2. To rally afterwards in a third wave to $2,500 plus. We're not there yet. Yeah, if you watched the previous videos, you know that we expect that this here was a wave 1 to the upside. The move between the 15th of June and the 13th of July, 14th of July. As a wave 1. The idea was then to come down in a wave 2. We have done that so far. We came down in an A wave, reacted exactly where we wanted the A wave to react, which is typically the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement. Then we rallied in a B wave. That was a bit shallow, but I spent a few days to warn you ahead of the B wave that it could be extremely shallow, it could be extremely long. You can't really forecast how long a B wave will really be. And now we are coming down in the expected C wave. The C wave, however, seems to unfold as an ending diagonal. In my opinion, diagonals should be completely banned. Yeah, they should be banned from the charts. They get they make it very boring. Yeah, but joke aside, it is what it is. It's coming down in a very choppy price structure, and that always allows for different interpretations. But certainly there is nothing bearish to see here at the moment, at least not. That can always change, you know that markets are dynamic, but at the moment it looks as if the C wave is coming down off the wave 2. We're dealing here with a target range between 1830 and 1781. Yes, it can go lower, and the overall setup for higher is not invalidated until we break below 1713. Now again, that is not real invalidation, but basically for me, it's, you know, a break below the 78.6 fib level will most likely lead to invalidation eventually. But the point I try to make here is we should still go lower, and there is a key target area where we have a lot of confluence through different Fibonacci levels that meet in this region between 1780 and 1830. So that's all okay. We'd like to get price there. And at the moment, it looks as if we are coming down in a C wave of wave 3, that we are still in the third wave of the C wave of wave 2. And to make it more complicated, and I don't know if you want to get into that much detail, let me know if you like that in the comments. But my idea at the moment, and I did explain that in detail on the Bitcoin chart, because it's basically the same wave count. If you want to get a bit more understanding about that and the complexities of diagonal structures, check out my Bitcoin video I just uploaded. But it seems like that not only the C wave of the wave 2 is an ending diagonal, which means we have to expect choppy price action. It seems like that even the C wave of the third wave is an ending diagonal, and due to this move up today, but it's not impulsive on the way up, right? It rallied into resistance, into the red resistance zone and into the descending trend line. So I would expect a failure here at some point. If we see a first 5-wave move up, especially above the B wave high of 1930, then we can consider something more bullish. But at the moment, I have no evidence that a lasting low has been established. It can always happen, yeah, in a WXY structure, but I primarily look for an ABC. So I'm still expecting lower. I expect a boring weekend. Maybe we get a bit of a sell-off today still in in the C wave of the third wave. And to be honest, I think I did delete accidentally here you might have noticed I didn't. So yeah, there you go. We might see another sell-off, but we're running out of time. Yeah, at some point, basically, the markets get very quiet on Friday evening, and then Saturday is quiet anyway. So I expect a few more days of choppy, slow price action before we finally wrap that up. I think today the market had an opportunity to do the direct sell-off in wave C of 3, but it failed so far. All we've seen is a slight counter reaction, a slight corrective rally into resistance, but nothing that would be game-changing here. Okay, that's my update about Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.